What's up, man? I'm Tazbegrinding, and today the start of the video is pedal command.
God, bro, that cannot be fun.
I didn't think it worked.
Oh my god!
Why is this yanking my head?
Bro, you're right,
bro. My car is in track mode. Is now in track mode, and it's city +4. Oh my god, bro! I'm not even capping. That just low key. Oh my god! What the? All right, y'all. So he parking. He about to hop in here. So I got a little clip of me trying it in City 4. It was I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a difference just on City. But yeah, man, when he get in, we go try it. We go just play with City. I'm gonna let him see how that feel, and then we go switch straight to Sport 4. All right, we go switch straight to Sport 4. And then after that, we just go to Sport Plus, then we go try Sport Plus 4. That's the plan. I know we gotta be quick, man.
I know we got. He's already texting me or asking me where I'm at. Damn, who the fuck sits up here?
Bro, I don't know.
Fuck.
Bro.
Damn.
So I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a big difference. It's a big. So look, all right, look.
Say my fucking lights were.
You about to think I'm really touching the pedal, but I'm not. So like, no, bro. So watch this, bro. It's crazy.
Oh.
All right, so look at this, bro. I'm not touching it, bro. I swear to God. It's crazy.
You just started pulling you like that?
Yes, bro. When we hit this light, I'ma switch to sport, right? So I'm just gonna switch it to Sport 4, so we can hurry up and then switch to Sport Plus, just normal Sport Plus, and we go try Sport Plus 4. So that's the plan. So we about to hit this light right here, right? We gonna be in Sport Plus 4.
I was gonna say you control that off your
bro, it's right. So this right here is Sport Plus 4.
Oh god.
But it still got a plus mode.
Alright.
It's crazy, bro. I don't even want to touch the gas pedal, bro.
I was gonna say, you in front of that minivan or you ain't?
I don't want to touch this, bro.
Oh god, this guy turning, so if you're gonna go.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Taz,
you know we gotta pull it right here now. Hey, this thing touchy, bro.
That thing touchy, bro.
Bro, look, bro, tell me.
That's instant power, though.
I'm not doing this on purpose, bro. Okay, that pull was intentional, but
yeah,
this jump is crazy. You see, I freaking chirped the tires, bro, and I didn't even move. So you know we gonna have to try Sport Plus. Oh shit, this bit hard. All right, bro. So before this truck comes. Boom, missing Sport Plus.
You're so...
It's crazy.
I hate how you have all these fucking backfire.
I swear to God. It's like...
It's so tough.
I think it's... Are we spinning or are we going?
No, we're not.
This red light about to go Sport Plus 4. Hey look. Hey look, we just go keep skipping. Hey look, when we get to my house, I'm gonna let you touch this pedal and you gonna see what I'm saying. Hey look, you think I'm capping.
This motherfucker just pulled quick as hell. Bro, that cannot be fun.
Why is she so aggressive?
It's so... Hey, bro.
Oh my god, why is pulling is hard.
Jesus Christ. I thought it was the Jeremy's S6 for a minute, bro. That all
You talking about that headbang action? Bro, so what you trying to start at, bro? You just want to start in sport?
Bro, I
Oh my God. Normal, so boom, okay. Hold on. I don't want to touch it in reverse.
I was gonna say that shit better.
I wonder, does it work in reverse?
Probably does. It's all throttle response.
Oh, it's okay. And I think they were smart enough not to put that in reverse. I think they were smart. Alright, we just gonna put you. We gonna start you a Sport Plus.
I was gonna say, just put me in. I'm gonna just drive around the neighborhood. Is that cool or no?
I mean, you can do whatever you want to do, man.
Shit.
Alright, man. I'm gonna troll you. We gonna put you in Sport Plus 4.
Oh my God, bro.
My God, bro. I'm scared for myself. Hey, man. We gotta get you one of these.
Hey, what's up, man?
We gotta get you one of these. You gotta get one of these.
Oh my God, bro. I'm about to just. Oh my God. That's funny as shit.
Touch it.
Bro, hold on. No. Now I'm around this corner, bro, because that shit about to fuck it.
Touch it, man. Just touch it. My wallet came on my pocket.
I'm about. I just love the bag pops, bro.
That's what I got there.
Why? That thing a monster, bro. I was gonna.
Bro, what are we doing?
I was just gonna whip around and do a U-turn, but then that truck started coming, and I tapped the gas.
Hold on, bro.
I just tapped the gas.
Alright, stop. This is crazy, bro.
Oh my God.
I'm holding the camera. They're probably yanking the whole video, bro. I don't think it works in reverse, bro. I don't think it works.
No, it definitely works.
Oh my God, it works in reverse.
It definitely works in reverse.
Jeez, I didn't think it worked in reverse.
Oh my God.
Why is this yanking my head?
Bro, you're right?
Bro.
That shit yanks.
Alright, man.
I mean, I'm good with being light on the pedal and shit. I can control it.
Yeah, you can't. Oh, you can't control this though. Man, they got somebody in the back seat.
They did.
You about to hit this 22?
After this Impala.
Alright, man.
That's just a little focus. He can
Oh crap! Hey, tap it in Sport Plus, bro. See, it ain't that crazy.
No, it's not. It's not that crazy. No, it's controlled.
Hey, step on the gas pedal one time real fast, like.
Alright.
You gotta be like real fast though. There we go.
See, it just rests for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the up shit.
He going to.
He's telling me to go.
He going up here, bro.
I was gonna say, bro. Like,
Bro. Bro,
bro.
did y'all playing chicken? Oh my God.
I do not need one of those.
You most definitely need one of those.
My shit, there's no power to be pulling.
Bro, it's not doing more power, it's just making your throttle more responsive, bro.
Way too much.
Hey, bro.
I literally just happening.
Hey, bro.
Huh.
So I think I would just stay in Sport Plus. Like, I mean, not Sport Plus, Sport.
Sport?
Just Sport, because...
You want me to just park it up there? You want me to just park it up
just
there?
idle it first, man.
Idle it first?
Just let it idle up there. It's gonna go up there, you just let it idle.
No, I know. I ain't trying to rip your shit off.
Oh, God. Tap it with the D.
We was thinking the same thing.
Don't go through my garage, bro.
No.
Hey, man, so what you think about the pedal commander, bro?
It's solid,
you didn't think it was that touchy, huh?
Boy, you better be safe with that
let's see what the RPMs were like. Just tap the gas.
It's already at 2,000.
All right, hold on. So let's go back to. This should be city mode.
Okay.
Tap it in city.
I'm not sure.
Tap it in city. It should be in city.
It should.
Tap it. Okay, hold on. All right, this Sport. That's about the same. Let's see. This Sport Plus. All right, you can see a little difference. Okay. Hey man, it's legit, man. Get you one.
Let me roll this one out.
Hey, this joint was easy to put in too. So
That's it?
yeah, man. I'm about to go enjoy this. So
Fuck it, go ahead.
yeah, man. How you like it, man?
It's
5 out of 10, 5 out of 5 stars.
I give it a 3.5.
You capping?
Just because of how aggressive that.
You don't
boy
like that,
is.
man?
Touch it. You gonna have a fucking concussion by the time you start.
You know you like the head yank action, you know what I'm saying?
Every 2 seconds.
Everybody like headaches. All right, man. That's it for today's video, man. That thing crazy.
Hey.